In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Google Sheets. This is an efficient way to automatically organize and store form responses in a Google spreadsheet, allowing you to streamline your workflow. First, let's open your web browser and navigate to the Jotform form builder, specifically the appointment request form. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on that page, take a look at the top to locate the Settings tab. Clicking on it will take you to a variety of options that allow you to configure your form's behavior and appearance. Now that you are in the settings area, what you want to do is focus your attention on the left-hand side. Here, you'll notice a list of tabs, and among them, there's an option called Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. This section is essentially a hub where you can connect your Jotform to numerous other services, facilitating better data management and coordination. In the integration search bar, type in Google Sheets, although you may notice it's a bit of a typo with Google Shirts. But not to worry, the system recognizes what you're searching for. Once you successfully spot Google Sheets in the list that appears, select it. This is where we'll begin integrating our form with the spreadsheet that helps in organizing data seamlessly. Next, you're asked if you'd like to create a new spreadsheet. Click Create New Spreadsheet. It's incredibly handy, as this new sheet will serve as the destination for all future form submissions, making data retrieval a breeze. After you've made your selection, click on the Next button to proceed. The next step requires authentication. This ensures that your data is secure and that you truly have access to the Google Sheets account you're trying to integrate with. On your screen, you should see an option to authenticate, so go ahead and click Authenticate. You will likely be prompted to log into your Google account if you aren't already, or you may simply be asked to confirm that Jotform has permission to access your spreadsheets. Just follow the on-screen instructions, making sure to review any prompts carefully to avoid any accidental mishaps. And there you have it. By following through these simple steps, your Jotform submissions are now seamlessly integrated into Google Sheets, allowing for a better organized workflow where all your data is accessible in one place. Thank you for joining this tutorial and happy form building. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, make every